una see BABATOPE don't come again.
Make una see BABATOPE. Make una see BABATOPE. More than the mumu waiting saying yes sense.
See, Mr. DPC, help me talk to Ram. Let you not do the thing when you forget.
What am I hearing? What am I hearing? Your wife told me that you're about to traveling now to America.
What she told you is absolutely correct.
You don't mean it now. So how do you want to even do it?
Look that car over there. That car, it belongs to a white man. What I want to do is, I will hop into the boot and straight up America. Here we come.
You are good. You are good. My friend.
Look, who did this to you? Look, don't you ever make an attempt? None of you should make the attempt of even telling me to send you one for
your husband.
BABATOPE.
BABATOPE.
America,
Yeah, going.
BABATOPE, don't go.
Tope.
Street, make it send money come give us.
Tope, follow your father. Join your father.
Let's go. Let's go.
BABATOPE.
See the motor.
This is the motor that your husband they follow. So let's go and confirm and know what to say. He's in Africa. Let's go. Where is your husband?
Hey, I think they don't take it.
How do you use it to sacrifice? The husband has entered. He's not here. You have used your husband for ritual money.
Yo, man, America, here I come.
Yo, man. How you doing, man?
What's up?
Open your eyes. America, you can see.
Look at you. Look. Now you are in Lagos, Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Look at you.
No, this guy.
Hey, what's up, nigga?
No, this guy. Nigga, jump for that America. I'll go back to that.
Hey, make una see BABATOPE don't come again.
Hold on. Give me press up. Press up. 1, 2. Call it. Look, in case you want to be like make sure you position the door very well. You look at this direction. This direction. And take a very good step back. And the moment you want to hit the penalty, just make sure you play this way. It is called sojourn. What that one is? Sojourn, you see, you are looking at that place, but you play it. You are giving this play it for me. Show me. Sojourn, not forget to. Point of correction. His name is Coach BABATOPE.
Okay.
Coach BABATOPE.
Coach BABATOPE.
One of the best goalkeepers in the world has come out to say that anybody that scores him while he is on post, that he will give the person $10,000.
$10,000?
$10,000. And that is why I'm preparing our son Tope to go and play, to go and try his luck. In fact, to go and play a very good penalty.
BABATOPE, you sure say Tope hold enough to be a football player.
But no, the point is, it's supposed to be on the 21. But in this case, Topper is in the category of 1-1.
1-1. Which one is 1-1?
1-1, you are neither here nor there. You are capable, you are free, you are free to play the dance. Topper, take, give me.
Hey.
Look, this is how I do that, Topper. Do you know what I will do now? I will go and get sets, get all the nylon bag, the heavy bag, and storm into any supermarket around to be buying stores for credit. Because money is already on the
I will go.
I'll train well. You have trained. Give me one more last press up. One more last press up. 1, 2. Yeah, you are good to go. You are good to go. Let's go. And we, okay, do you still have anything to do? We should also go outside. Nice. Let's go. 1, 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this wonderful penalty kick where we say BABATOPE and all those people for our area, they're ready to make sure that they won't win this money. $10,000. Now if they go shell for ground today, this goalkeeper come from international level. He said anybody wey go be score to get this money. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to come up for you for the people who want to come now. Now BABATOPE, Tope, and in fact many other people wey ready to win this money. Don't go anywhere. This one now front top for beach. Now yeah, they shell and beg. If you like to go, come this place and check out to keep the team. Ladies and gentlemen, show us start.
1, 2. Just keep it up, because we need to deliver today. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Just relax. Just relax. So this is where we're playing. Let the ball remain here, and we will play from this direction. Beautiful. Make sure you play this ball in the way that the likes of Ronaldo de Lima, even the current Messi and Ronaldo, the way they play that. You see, just as I told you, look, make sure, don't forget what everything I told you. The likes of Ronaldinho, Messi. Look, Sojunu, what do I call it? Sojunu, what is it? What is she doing here? She also wants to take part in it. Don't forget, you are the man of the moment. Just make sure everything I have taught you should be stick to. What did I say? Just give them the chest. Sojunu. But don't overgive the testing. Sojunu, what do I call it? Sojunu. So that's just what it should be. They're waiting for them to come. That's just it. Let us wait for them to come. Something wrong with you. You're giving you that milk. Okay. Today, that money we must chop it.
Who is this one? I asked for a professional footballer, you brought an infant? This infant, where's your mother? My friend, go home and go and take your baby food. What kind of problem? What are you doing? I said go home and go and take your baby food.
I'll train you well enough. Papa, please don't disappoint me. Make sure you get it this time around. Good.
You will what? You? Even the ball and the grass of the field is taller than you. You're telling me not
Sojunu. Ah!
to score a simple goal, you cannot even kick.
Me. Okay, don't worry. But you know what? Make sure you final one. Make sure you target that.
This is an opportunity to play what you please. Oh yeah, Sophia, please don't disappoint me this time around. This is for like the final hope. Please, let's go. Take it. Don't bother me. I will slap your head.
I don't even know what to classify you. Under 1, you're not qualified. Under 2, nowhere. Who is this one again? Where did they get all this configuration of happening? I'm asking for real human beings that can play professional European football by bringing all these things. Madam, please go home.
Baba.
Wait.
This one now.
Yes, una don see am. The best way finally win this money. Truly, not be woke up police they win case. Now Tope will be say go win this better penalty thing to carry the money go out. But who win am? Mama Chike wey dem no even think say she fit kick counter. Now she kick the ball enter post. Ladies and gentlemen, now inside front of for Lekki phase 1, now in this particular penalty kick at happen. So ladies and gentlemen, make you not come dey play ball for here because we BABATOPE we don't play the ball. Thank you.
Make una see BABATOPE more than the mumu when things saying yes sense. Sometimes he says they make sense and sometimes he says no they make sense. Oh BABATOPE. Oh Mama Tope. Oh Tope. Oh Mama Chike. Oh Ndubisi. Oh Efemena. All of them for the same community. Then go make you laugh.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.